In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. If you're building lead nurturing sequences, onboarding flows, or automated follow-ups, this is a crucial step to get right. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, edit, and publish an automated marketing email directly inside a workflow so it runs seamlessly in the background. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, go to the top navigation bar and click on Automation. In the drop-down menu, select Workflows. This will take you to your Workflows dashboard, where you can see all existing workflows you've created. Next, you have two options. You can either click the name of an existing workflow that you'd like to add an automated email to, or you can create a brand new workflow by clicking the Create Workflow button. If you're setting up a new automation from scratch, choose your workflow type, such as contact-based, and go through the initial setup process. Once you're inside the workflow editor, you'll see your enrollment triggers and any existing actions laid out visually. To create an automated email, click the plus icon, also known as the Add Action icon, wherever you want the email to be sent in the sequence. This determines the exact point in the workflow when the email will go out. After clicking the Add icon, a panel will open on the left-hand side. In this panel, scroll until you see the Communications section. Click to expand Communications, and then select Send Email. This action allows you to send a marketing email automatically to contacts enrolled in the workflow. Now you'll see a drop-down labeled Automated Email. Click on that drop-down and select Create New Email. This is where you'll build a brand new automated email specifically for this workflow. You'll now be taken to the template selection screen. Here, HubSpot provides a variety of pre-designed templates you can use. Hover over the template that best fits your goal, whether it's a simple text-based email, a promotional layout, or a branded newsletter style. Once you've decided, click Choose Template. This will open the email editor. Inside the editor, you can customize every part of your email. Start by editing the subject line so it's clear and compelling. Then move into the body of the email, where you can update text, add personalization tokens like the contact's first name, insert images, buttons, or links, and adjust formatting to match your brand. Make sure to also configure the from name and from email address so recipients clearly recognize who the message is coming from. Take your time here to review the content carefully. Automated emails are often part of important nurture sequences, so clarity and accuracy are key. You can also preview the email to see how it will look on desktop and mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with your email, go to the top right corner and click Review and Publish. HubSpot will open a review panel on the right-hand side. Here, the system will check for any issues, such as missing subject lines, unresolved personalization tokens, or required settings that haven't been configured. If HubSpot flags any issues, resolve them directly from this panel. After everything is complete and there are no errors remaining, click Publish. Your automated email is now live and ready to be used inside your workflow. After publishing, you'll be redirected back to the workflow editor, and your new automated email will be selected within this Send Email action. From here, you can continue building out the rest of your workflow, add delays, branches, or additional actions, and then review and turn on the workflow when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully created an automated email to use in a HubSpot workflow. This is a powerful way to automate communication, nurture leads, and scale your marketing efforts without manually sending emails every time. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.